Hello friends, welcome to my channel Homeschool Fun. This is Ria and today's video is about talking about this newly discovered deficiency called vitamin N. Now you will think, what is this homeschool channel has to do with vitamin N, and what is this new deficiency which has just erupted and nobody knows about this deficiency? What is this vitamin N? Vitamin N means the deficiency or not accepting this deficiency of vitamin NO. No, this deficiency of vitamin N or no. Why can't we take or accept rejection? Why can't kids do it? Why can't we adults do it? Why cannot we do it? So the whole video is about why do we face this and how to overcome this deficiency that we have or that we all face in little or more or in less and more ways or in manner, but we all do face this. Kids do it, we do it, but why do we do it? Why can't we accept it? Why can't we face the rejection or a denial or a no? So I think, or the base of this whole, or the root of this situation is, for me, or I think, is at the early stages of life. When the kids are small and we over pamper them, we overdo something which we think, or it's good for them. It's not that it's our bad intention or any harmful intentions that we have on doing that, but we not in our awareness, we do some things that eventually make them expect more from us. We do not want to do, but a series of events gradually turns up to cultivate their nature in such a way that they cannot accept a denial or a no. Like for example, अगर बच्चा गिर गया कहीं से, चलो supposingly he was sliding on a slide and he falls down. Then what to do? We'll go run and catch that kid and pamper that kid. I've seen parents doing this. That's why I want to give this very simple example कि पता नहीं क्या हो गया, पहाड़ टूट गया if he has fallen down. But why do we do that? Why do we over pamper that? We have to just look into the situation कि the kid has fallen down. Yeah, if he is hurt badly truly, and our concern for that event or situation surely is to take care of that kid. But अगर बहुत मामूली है और कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है and the kid is doing extra reaction for that situation, then we should okay, it's okay, just get up. Why can't we do that? So we have just slowly and gradually stopped them from accepting our attention. They seriously and they are constantly seeking our attention. They know the tantrums and the tricks to get our attention, get our focus and get things done. And when we say no, then there is a big huge fuss. But the slowly gradual events that we have cultivated, that is the reason of it. So when we were young or when our parents were young, they were told that you will not get everything. And today what we teach them to our kids, you can achieve everything, you will get everything in this world. Big hyper realistic dreams. We are not going, or we are not supposed to block their imagination or stop them from thinking big, but make them realistic. You work harder and you will achieve it, but you can't get everything. If you want this, you have to compromise on something else. And that is the rule or the nature of the world. That is the way the world works. Each and everything needs a little compromise or adjustment from everybody. So why not we teach them that if you want a chocolate, you have to earn it. You have to make an effort to do it. Why do they get each and everything? They just demand. They go to a mall or they go to a shopping center and they demand. And if you say no, they will lie down on the floor and make a big huge fuss and make you do what they want. Why do we have to become their slave? It's not like that we are going to surrender, but let us get a bridge in between so that they can understand what we want or what we wish to convey. Like there was like a time that if we did not had a doll, means अगर टेडी बेयर नहीं है तो डॉल से खेल लेते थे, अगर पापा नहीं है तो मम्मा से दिल बहला लेते थे. ऐसा टाइम था. We used to go for their options and entertain ourselves. But now they want this to entertain themselves. So there is the thin line between compromising, adjusting, and getting things done their way. So let's do this way, that if you want this, you need to wait. Let them understand to wait for a while to get things done. अगर आपको मिलेगा, पर इंतज़ार करो. If you have it right now, then tell him to wait for 1 hour. If you don't have it and you need to buy, then tell them that we need to take 2 days. So you need to wait for 2 days for that. So do not give anything in an instant. That is the first step to calm their energy down and make them understand that you need to wait for anything to happen. So that is the first step, and I guess the most primus step to get them used to an acceptance of getting a rejection. So that deficiency of vitamin N will slowly come down when they learn that they cannot get anything what they want at the very moment. Wait for it, accept it, and work hard for getting it. So I hope you like this video. I hope the thoughts that I had was a little of information to you. So if you do like it, please give me a like, share, subscribe. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.